I walk in with $2,500 in silver coins. Here's what dealers said. I had mainly American Silver Eagles, a few rounds, a 10-ounce bar. I wanted to know what kind of buyback I'd be offered if I just walk into a brick and mortar shop compared to doing this online. The answers I got were shocking. You're going to want to hear this. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, look at this. First, local dealers. I hit 3 shops in my area, and the offers were pretty consistent. For my Eagles, I was offered anywhere from $34 to $35 per coin, and spot at the time of this was hovering around $36. For the generic rounds, most shops offered $33 to $34, and they weren't too excited about those at all. Now, this isn't a ripoff. Dealers need room for resale. They've got overhead. They've got a market risk to manage. But here's the upside: you get paid instantly. So whether it's cash, whether it's check, whether it's some kind of store credit they're going to give you, it's fast. No shipping, no waiting, no wondering. So the online dealers, the picture changed. For those same Eagles, I saw buyback offers of 36. I got spot to 38, right? About $2 over spot. In some cases, it was a little bit more higher than that if the Eagles were considered uncirculated, if they're in great condition. Now, the rounds were also stronger. Some dealers offered spot for the rounds. That's a big difference. We're talking $3 to $5 per coin compared to the local coin shops. And on a 70 coin sale, that's a $200 upswing. But you need to ship the silver. That's what I would have to do. It needs to pass inspection. I need to wait for all this. It could take a few days. I got to wait for a check or a bank transfer. So if you're patient and you're careful, you'll probably make more online. Just know there's a bit of trust involved in that. So here's the bottom line. The buyback gap from local and online is real, and it's clear. I made a little chart here. This is showing you Eagles. My potential gain was $3 if I'm doing it online. Generic rounds, the gain could be $2. This is per each coin. 10-ounce bar could be as much as $25. So if you're selling a large stack like I was, $2,500 worth, that gap can mean hundreds of dollars gained or lost depending on where you go. So it's really a big difference. The question here is whether you're needing cash in a hurry, or really whether you put in the lead work to create a relationship with your local dealer, because that can make all the difference. When you are going back to the same dealer consistently, you're sometimes not even buying or selling when you're in there. You're just hanging out. You're developing a relationship. That dealer can hook you up. That's business. You know someone, they'll give you a break. So I didn't factor that in because that's the nuance of business. And it's something we all need to take into consideration when we're dealing with the buyback of silver. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they're giving away 20 Eagles. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.